Hi everyone and welcome to another executive interview where we delve into pioneering ventures shaping the investment landscape. Today we have with us in the studio Oliver Siah, the co-founder of Fraxtor, a game changer in real estate investment. Welcome Oliver, great to have you here
Thank
today.
you for having me.
Amazing. Now Oliver, to begin our interview today, can you tell us how Fraxtor is bridging the gap between investors and real estate opportunities?
So, Fraxtor is a real estate tokenization platform. So, we allow investors to sign up on our platform to invest in real estate opportunities. And at the same time, we help developers and real estate fund managers uh, raise capital for some of their projects. So, Fraxtor has been around for the last 7 years. So, we are established in Singapore, and we recently established a subsidiary in Australia to do this exact same business in Australia.
Amazing. Now, how does this mission align with the changing landscape of real estate investment?
So, real estate is the largest asset class in the world, but it's also the most illiquid and capital intensive asset class. So, for you to invest in real estate, you typically need a lot of money to invest, and often or not, most of us don't have that amount of money, right? And also, you're also limited by the selection of the type of real estate assets. So, if you're based here in Australia, most probably you'll be investing something in Australia. And that really limits your access to the global real estate market. So, Fraxtor's business model is to democratize real estate investment. So, what that means is that we offer investors bite-sized investment amounts into big real estate projects. Doesn't have to be in Australia, doesn't have to be in Singapore, it can be in Japan, the United Kingdom, or even as far as away as the USA. Yeah.
Amazing. Now, in a competitive market, what sets Fraxtor apart from the traditional real estate investment avenues?
So investing in direct real estate, like what I mentioned, is very capital intensive and it's very illiquid. It takes a long time to acquire a property and takes a very long time to sell a property as well. So through Fraxtor, not only do you have the opportunity to invest in bite-sized amounts, but you also have the potential to trade your real estate tokens on an open market so that you're able to gain some near-term or medium-term liquidity. The Fraxtor's team is basically made up of real estate professionals who have been doing this for more than a combined 100 over years, not only in Singapore, but also in Australia. So that sets us apart from our competitors in the market.
Amazing. Now, can you share some notable success stories or case studies that exemplify Fractor's impact on investors and the real estate market?
So our most notable case study is basically a project in Singapore. It was a $100 million gross development value project where we raised 17 million Singapore dollars within 90 minutes. So this not only gave the developers the equity to execute the project, but at the same time provided investors the opportunity to invest in a larger size project. Yeah.
Amazing, very exciting. Now, real estate investments often come with risks. So, how does Fractor manage or mitigate these risks for investors, especially concerning niche markets or smaller scale developments?
So every investment will come with its own set of risks. So we cannot mitigate the risk totally, but what happens is that for every deal that comes onto the Fraxtor platform, the team performs due diligence on the project to make sure that at the beginning phase, at the feasibility phase, the project makes sense and is viable. And one of our key principles is that we only put projects on the platform that we ourselves want to invest in.
Amazing, I understand. Now, the utilization of blockchain technology is very intriguing. So, how does Fractor's integration with Ethereum blockchain provide security and transparency for investors, and how does it potentially shape the future of real estate investments?
So Fraxtor uses a layer 2 blockchain. It's based on the Ethereum. It's called Polygon. And the way we have done it is that for each property, the way we tokenize it is that we can tokenize the shares, we can tokenize units in the trust, we can tokenize the debenture into a token form. And this basically allows investors to invest in small amounts, firstly, and then after that, they will have the ability to start trading and selling these tokens off on the market. So that is the way that we have used the blockchain technology. And it's very similar to how you see the crypto market at the moment. You can go to a crypto exchange, you can buy, sell cryptocurrency. So the technology is the same, but the underlying assets are different. It could be a share in the building, it could be a unit of a trust in the building, it could be a unit of a debenture of a building. So it gives the investors the wider range of a choice in terms of what he wants to invest in. And it could be a property in Singapore, Japan, United Kingdom, or the USA. So that gives the users or investors the flexibility to choose what they want to invest in.
Amazing.
Yeah.
That's brilliant. Now, looking ahead, what are the key milestones or developments that investors can anticipate from Fraxtor, and how does the company plan to evolve in the coming years?
So our immediate goal is to establish our Fraxtor exchange. So this will basically unify the markets in Singapore, Australia, and then further down our subsidiary in Hong Kong and Japan. So this will create a much bigger marketplace for tokenized real estate, and it allows the investors to also gain exposure or buy real estate in Japan, Hong Kong, Thailand, all from the comfort of their own homes, right? And in bite-sized amounts.
Amazing. Now, thank you, Oliver, for sharing such wonderful insights about Fraxtor's groundbreaking approach to real estate development. For anyone watching this interview, if you would like to get in touch with the team at Fraxtor, please see the details at the side of the screen or in the description of this video. Once again, thank you, Oliver, for coming in, and I wish you all the luck with your venture.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you.